right about the Horde. It looks like they've mutated? I'm contacting V for more insight. Be careful. I don't like the look of that, boss. These things are strong. I don't want any surprises. Make sure we can see any hidden enemies that could get behind us.
While dispatcher is away. From what I can tell, Patient Zero's virus has started to evolve. It'll definitely need to be studied, so drag me back a corpse or two? Maybe when she's done, I can use a hydraulic press and shove it into a battery.
There is something seriously wrong with the both of you.
By the way, there are
There's a mutated ghoul somewhere in the Horde. It looks like it's hidden, so be careful.
Yeah.